away from the Delhi polling that takes place on the 25th. Now, I really want to figure out whether the people of Delhi will be impacted by what's happened vis-a-vis Swati Maliwal with the liquor gate, with the charges of corruption, or can the tables turn? Can the tables turn in the national capital, where 7 out of 7 is what the score of the BJP has been when it comes to the big Lok Sabha battle? And as promised, remember, Times Now continues its coverage from the ground, and this is the best place because this is where you get to speak to people, you understand their sentiments, and when it comes to Delhi, that is the seat of the political and the administrative power. It's just 7 seats, ladies and gentlemen, but this is a seat of power. The new parliament not very far away here on my left, so it's important to decode what could happen. And even as we speak right now, the Prime Minister, not very far away in Dwarka, is also addressing a rally. The Prime Minister's been raking up a lot of issues when it comes not just to the national capital but elsewhere. Let's open this panel discussion with our guest joining us right here from the Vijay Chowk. We have Charu Pragya, the national spokesperson of the BJP. We also have Karan Verma, who's an author. He's here on my left. Huda Zariwala is a political analyst. She leans towards the Aam Aadmi Party. And Ajay Verma ji is leader of the Congress Party, also completing our panel. So, Charu, with your permission, I know you will want to jump in right away because we've just broken a response from Arvind Kejriwal. But Huda, tell me something. You managed to smile, which is pretty good. You know, the Delhi heat is getting up. There is a lot of political heat in the temperatures also. But on the issue of Swati Maliwal, does Arvind Kejriwal and the party believes that no matter what, nothing can dent the Chief Minister's image? A woman Rajya Sabha MP who has been allegedly assaulted in the Chief Minister's residence, the Chief Minister takes days to speak up and he says we must probe all versions.
Well, we've seen the statement of the LG where, it can be clarified that she is in fact working with the BJP. By that I mean Swati Maliwal.
She is your Rajya Sabha MP, right?
She is.
Yeah.
And yet, look at the shenanigans that she's going through. I mean, allegations that have yet to be proven against Bibhav Kumar. She does not...
Huda, you're taking a stand, and I must come in here because this becomes a very tricky slope, Charu. The moment you talk about crime against women, people will say, ye late kyun boli, ye abhi kyun boli, report late kyun li. These are multiple questions, Huda, that go out. And, because today you are on the other side and Charu has, all the freedom to question you. But I do remember on the women wrestlers issue and a lot of other issues. Aam Aadmi Party said probe, the Prime Minister must respond, the Prime Minister needs to break his silence, Charu. But what has happened now?
PP, the sad thing is this selectivism which exists, and this selectivism has gone beyond anything believable this time, because here is a Swati who was called Singham Swati. Here is a Swati who was given a Rajya Sabha seat just 3 months ago. And in a span of merely 3 months, she has been pulled down and victim shamed to such an extent. It is shameful. And
but do you need a Swati to win elections?
No, absolutely not. See, let me make one thing very clear. Swati Maliwal has nothing to do with Delhi Lok Sabha elections. All 7 seats we are going to sweep, that is clear. But the problem here is we have a sitting Chief Minister who is out on bail, Arvind Kejriwal ji, and the first condition of that bail was that he's not going to, one, speak about the Delhi liquor scam. That's all that he's done, by the way. And the second thing was he's going to campaign. What else has he done? He has only gotten himself more and more mixed up in yet another scam, in yet another situation.
Okay, so are you saying that the release of Arvind Kejriwal, one second, Huda, on interim bail does not impact? You're saying this does not impact elections?
But this is too little too late.
Okay.
He understands that the people of Delhi are full of rage against him. Earlier it was merely a liquor scam, and now one more thing is an icing on the cake.
Okay, let